I'm Matt Gibson, President and CEO of Siskin Hospital. Each and every day throughout our organization, I'm so fortunate to be able to witness our team members going above and beyond to deliver exceptional care for our patients. So today it's my pleasure to introduce you to one of our speech-language pathologists, Kelly Jo Booker, and an energetic, enthusiastic member of our team. She truly does embody caring people, changing lives. So thank you for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Just have a few questions for you. Want to hear your thoughts on a few things. And first, one of our most basic and simple needs that we often take for granted is all of our own ability to swallow. And tell me more about our swallowing program that we have here at Siskin Hospital.
We have a dedicated team of, well, counting everybody, 14 speech pathologists that work together from inpatient acute rehab all the way to our outpatient program. We have modified barium swallow studies on site where we're able to do an instrumental swallow and see exactly what happens when a person swallows. And then we're able to do evidence-based treatments to help target muscles and improve swallowing function, to help people go from maybe being dependent on a feeding tube or having thickened liquids to being able to enjoy regular foods and liquids again.
Well, with such a sophisticated, evidence, as you mentioned, evidence-based approach, with all the expertise that all 14 of y'all bring to the table, but take me inside the experience of when it's you and a patient and they are learning to swallow again.
One of the things I like to continue to be a part of is that patient care experience where I kind of almost feel like a detective trying to figure out exactly what's going on, and it's neat to be able to see that progression and to be involved in something so social as eating and to be able to help give that back to somebody.
Yeah, it's something we all take for granted, but any of us could be one of your patients at any point. Well, tell me a little bit about one of your favorite patients. I know you've had hundreds over the years here, but one of your favorite patients?
I had a gentleman one time that was a anaphylaxis from a bee sting. So he literally got stung by a bee and then couldn't breathe. So he had a brain injury from losing oxygen from not breathing. So he went from not talking, not moving, not able to function at all. And so now I'll see him in the hall. He continues to work with us for some things, and I see him and his wife and his son in the hall, and I'm able to give him a big hug. And then just to look at how he's doing now is just an inspiration.
We just can hear the Siskin Hospital values coming through your voice, so thank you. Well, let's go back to something you alluded to a moment ago, our Therapeutic Dining Program.
Yes, sir.
Tell us a little bit more about that program and how it benefits patients.
So basically, if they need any kind of assistance with eating or drinking, they have the opportunity to participate in our Therapeutic Dining Program. It's on all of the inpatient rehab units, has a dedicated space to be able to come for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and work with the nursing staff and with the therapists. The occupational and speech-language pathologists work to help people gain those skills back to be able to enjoy, eating again.
And again, something we all take so for granted, but I'm so grateful that Siskin Hospital and all of you are here to help folks who need that care in their time of need. When you hear caring people, changing lives, what do those words mean to you?
Honestly, that's one of the reasons that I chose to come to Siskin Hospital, was because of that. I mean, that's what I want to do with my life, is to be able to be a vessel to invest in other people and to make an impact, to know that the organization that I'm a part of has that as a motto. That's why I get up every morning and why I come to work, is to invest in people. So.
Well, thank you so much, Kelly Jo, for your time today, but also just for your spirit and your leadership of your fantastic department and all you do with all your colleagues to touch so many patients on a daily basis. So as Kelly Jo just shared, we're honored to have the opportunity to help so many people get their lives back as we work to meet our mission every day. So I want to thank each of you for taking the time to learn about Siskin Hospital and another of our fine associates today, Kelly Jo Booker.